Right, so hello everybody, my name is Dev and welcome back to another tutorial for Unreal Engine 4. So this tutorial is going to be just for a little thing which I call the first person camera, or the true FPS camera thingy, first person camera. So as you can see, if we press play, we can see our third person, but this camera right here, as you can see, this camera is actually looking at the third person character and is following him. But what we want to do is make this camera go basically in his head, so our camera is his head, or the head is the camera basically, so we can see what the person can see. So how we do that is follow our mouse. So we go down to third person BP. BP stands for blueprint, so third person blueprint. Go into there, and then if we're going into there, go into blueprints, and then right here, third person character. Double click on it. Just yep, there we go. And as you can see, it's got all of this input and stuff like that. This isn't necessarily code, but this is like but remember Click Team, where you can just like click on like the slots and then add something into the slots. This is basically it. But it's just like a graph. It's basically like events, not exactly like codes, but these are events. So let's just go into viewport. This is where we can see the third person character right here. So if you want to put this camera into him, that sounds so really weird. Anyways, if you want third person rather than first person, then what you're gonna have to do is over here, you see this follow camera right here. Just drag that over into and drag that over the mesh, and then it will come under the mesh. Now what you need to do now is just drag it into the mesh and up here. There we go, and there we go. But now what we need to do is scroll down onto details, scroll down, and where you see parent socket, I don't know what that means, but when you see parent socket, click on this searchy thing. It comes up with this. Now what we need to do is find the word head. So let's just go down here slowly. And as you can see, we've found the word head, and this basically it basically connects up with the head. So whatever the head is doing, whatever movement it's doing, the camera will do the camera will mirror his movement, because it's like connected to his head. But now what we need to do is we need to rotate it, because at the moment the camera is like sideways. So if we play it, then the camera will look sideways and it will look really weird. So what we need to do is to make it easier, go to the arrow up here and then tick off real time, and as you can see, he's not moving anymore. And now just rotate this camera 90 degrees. There we go, 90 degrees. And now just slot it inside of his head. That still seems so weird. Right, there we go. It's now slotted inside of his head. Yeah, there we go. But now, once we start playing the game, watch, we can move, but if we press W, we can move forward. If we press S, we'll move backward. If we press D, we'll move left, and if we press A, we'll move right. But we don't want that, so what we need to do is go to character movement, I think it is, and then go to class defaults, I think. 1 minute, walk. Okay, maybe not. Wait, 1 minute. Wait, how many? Yeah. Maybe it was third person character. Yeah, okay. So use controller rotation yaw. So if this is true, the pawns yaw will be updated so that the whatever. So just tick that. But now let's see what happened. Now he can look left and right with the mouse look, not with the WASD or arrow keys. But we can't look up or down. So how to fix that is to go to follow camera right here, and then scroll down until you see use pawn control rotation. Tick that, and now let's play. And now we have the first person character. Now I know that he looks like a little fast, but he's actually running. So to change that, we go to character movement, and then we can just type in walk speed, max walk speed when crouched. I would say 100. I don't know, but max walk speed is going to be about 200. There we go. Now let's play. And now he's a lot slower. And there you go. That's how you do the first person camera. The jumping works. I haven't done the sprinting just yet, but the jumping works. And also when you come off the ledge, it also shows the animation of him jumping off the ledge. So that's basically it of this tutorial. Yeah, so if you just want a basic recap of like how to do it, so basically go to class defaults and then type in your, and make sure that if you click on class defaults, that you click on third person character self, type in your, and then find use controller your rotation your, tick that, and then what that will do is it will enable you to use your mouse to look left and right. But if you want to look up and down as well, then go to camera, and then scroll down until you find camera settings, and then see use pawn control rotation, and then tick that, and then you'll be able to look up and down with your mouse. Now if you want to make sure that you're walking slowly rather than fast, like your default is actually walking fast or running fast, shall I say, but if you want to walk slowly or run slowly, that makes no sense. If you want to walk slowly, then go to character movement up here, and then scroll down, or you can just easily type in walk speed, and then it comes up with max walk speed under character movement walking, and then just change the 200, just change the 300 to 200 or whatever. You don't really need to matter about the crouch part yet, or at all, but I just put it to that because, well, why not? But yeah, that's basically it of the first person character, first person camera tutorial. So hope this helped you, everybody, and see you all later. Goodbye.